Hi, I'm Beck Robbins from BeckRobbins.com. I'm going to take the next 2 minutes of your life, and I'm not going to give them back. Because if someone had taken 2 minutes of my life 3 years ago and told me what I'm about to tell you now, it would have saved my marriage. It would have improved my health and my career, and most importantly, it would have saved the people that I loved most a whole lot of grief and a whole lot of heartache. What I'm talking about is your ability to be happy. 3 years ago, I wasn't Googling how to be happy. I was Googling, how do I save my marriage? How do I deal with cervical precancer? How do I walk through this day as a miserable human being without in some way damaging my child? My life was a picture of problems, and I thought if I could just solve these problems, that automatically I'd be happy. But the reality was, I had to learn to be happy in order to solve my problems. It was my inability to be happy just as I was, just as life was, that led to drastic consequences for me. You see, the truth is, you or I, any of us, can walk into happiness regardless of what's happening around us whenever we choose. All you need to know is that happiness is an ongoing process that requires a specific skill set unique to you. And that is what inspired me to pull together this incredible group of people and offer this free event, The Secrets to Lasting Happiness. Some of the people I'm talking to are the very people that led me to discover my own happiness process. And in my process, I've discovered 4 key questions that root and ground me in my happiness whenever I need it. By joining us at the event, you'll gain access to these 4 questions. Plus, you'll be able to hear how over 24 of these remarkable guests answer these questions for themselves in all sorts of different areas, from love and relationship to career and money and everything in between. You can join us now by entering your name and your email on this page, and as soon as you hit submit, I'll send the information directly to your inbox. You have one life. Don't make the same mistake I did. Discover the remarkable power we have in our ability to become happy now. Enter your name, enter your email, hit submit, and I'll see you at the event.